it to be questioned. You built it to last forever. You never planned for it to be questioned. Polished words and measured tone, every truth you've overthrown. Careful hands that shape the lie into something justified. Golden halls on hollow ground, every voice reduced to sound. You called it order, you called it peace. I learned how both of those can cease. I watched it function, I learned the frame, and now I understand the game. Tear down the throne of hollow crowns, strip the weight that holds it down. Every layer built to last fails the moment truth is cast. I won't rage, I won't plead, I remove what's fueled by greed. No structure stands when truth is shown. Tear down the throne. Tear down the throne. You traded futures for control, rewrote the cost, erased the toll. Every choice you claimed was free, loop back into certainty. You never needed chains of force, just a quiet guided course, a system shaped to self-preserve, and call that outcome what we deserve. It holds itself, it feeds the lie, until something learns to ask why. Tear down the throne of hollow crowns, pull the pillars from the ground. Every promise carved in stone fractures when it stands alone. I won't break faith with this bright young land. I won't bend the truth of a tyrant's hand. No empire built on rot remains. I'll bring down what you thought were gates. We will tear down the throne. This was never chaos. This was never benign. This was fear fully manifest. This was always the design. Every system failure noted, every truth dressed and reassigned, every order given calculated, every outcome pre-aligned.